Most people will say it's very difficult to lose weight. Well, mine is the opposite. It's very difficult for me to gain weight. Losing weight is an easy process, gaining weight is a struggle. This is the reason why I've decided to just go on this weight gain journey and be really serious about it. So, this is what I ate in the morning for breakfast. I made some bread and egg, and then after that, I went in with some sweet potato. I've also increased the amount of food I eat to make the process a little bit faster. And here I go with my smoothie. A couple of minutes later, this smoothie contained avocado, banana, and some milk. And I also start going to the gym because I know gaining weight, if I'm not doing anything, I will end up losing the weight. So I'm trying also to build up some muscles, and I've also increased the amount of food I eat. I don't do a lot of exercises. I'm really focused on certain exercise. Do not laugh at my face expression because trust me, it wasn't easy. The first week I had so much pain on my body, but you know what? I keep going, and I'm really proud of myself for just keep pushing and want to look my best. And I loved it. Even when the weather is not good, I still push myself and go, and I can see the result. I can really see some transformation. I'm not yet there where I want to be, but I can see the transformation. Look at how I looked the first time I started, and just look at me, the way I look just 1 week going to the gym consistently. And I go to the gym only 3 times a week, and I exercise just for an hour or two, and I love the way I'm looking. So I'm really looking forward to see what my body will look like couple of months, couple of years down the line. And this is what I look like right now. Your girl is gaining weight. The first week going to the gym, I lose a little bit of weight, but so far I'm really loving this journey.